Presenting HDFC Banking and Financial Services Fund, an investment opportunity that allows you to invest in an open-ended equity scheme predominantly investing in banking and financial services sector. Banking and financial services are divided into four broad categories. Lending, which includes banks, NBFCs, including housing finance companies. Capital markets, which includes asset management companies, brokerages, depository, wealth management, exchanges. Insurance, which includes life and non-life insurance. Others, like rating agencies, fintech companies, which may list in future, and other financial companies, which may be classified as financial services. Banking and financial services has grown at a faster pace than India's nominal GDP over the last 2 decades. This has led to the share of financial service in India's total market capitalization growing steadily from approximately 6% in FY 2001 to approximately 24% in FY 2021. What could be the potential growth drivers? Indian financial services sector has low penetration across sub-segments and parameters and is likely to drive growth faster than that of GDP over the medium term. Financial services space has the potential to see many new companies getting listed, thus providing opportunity to invest in a variety of businesses. Why banking and financial services now? GDP growth has bottomed out and robust economic growth is likely in FY 22. Indian banking is in the best of shape after many years. Massive increase in digital delivery of services likely to drive costs lower. Low interest rates and increasing retail participation is positive for capital market-linked businesses. Insurance sector is set to benefit post-pandemic as the increasing awareness is likely to improve penetration. Many new companies including fintech could be listed over the next couple of years. All the above factors may result in generating returns in the fund. What is the investment strategy of the fund? The scheme aims to invest across segment and market capitalization. Focus on leaders and/or those gaining market share due to superior execution, scale, better adoption of technology, etc. Focus on diversification with low correlation across sub-segment of financial services. Focus on steady secular growth companies and re-rating of companies because of turnaround in profitability. Focus on opportunities in new listings, including pre-IPO participation. Thus, HDFC Banking and Financial Services Fund offers investors a convenient way to invest in the growing sector on a digital accelerator. NFO period is from June 11, 2021 till June 25, 2021. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.